Hey guys, welcome back to the channel, and today I'm gonna show you how to participate in Coinbase's airdrops. Alright, so if you've been wondering how to participate in Coinbase's airdrops, then this video is definitely for you. It's gonna be a really quick one. I'm just gonna give you guys a step-by-step guide on how to get this done. So let's jump straight into it. Now, the first thing you're gonna do is to log into your Coinbase account. You can log into your Coinbase account on the mobile app, or you can do that on the website. So once you're signed into your account, you just want to go to the airdrops tab. Once you're there, you're going to browse the available airdrops, and once you find the one you want to use, you can just choose that airdrop, and you're going to need to complete the airdrop requirements. It could be to hold a specific cryptocurrency or whatnot. Just go ahead and complete the airdrop requirements, and once that's done, you're gonna receive the airdrop rewards. So yeah, that's pretty much it on how to participate in Coinbase's airdrops. Pretty simple and straightforward. I hope you guys liked the video. Hope you found the information useful enough. If you did, like the video, comment down below, let me know what you thought. Share the video with your friends and subscribe to the channel if you haven't done so already, and I'll see you guys in the next